Adult Solutions. Add-on Desires.
Hello my dear students, welcome to Adult Solutions. You are with your Nabi sir and we are studying social science, specifically in that we have already covered history and now economics. So we are beginning with the economics in an amazing way. Yes, so chapter number 1, development. We know this term. We all understand in our terms and our conditions. The chapter number 1, development, page number 3 to 17 of your textbook. You are with your Nabi sir. Yeah, so the idea of development or progress has always been with us, always, since the very beginning, as we were as in ancient time, when we were not doing anything, we were not wearing clothes, when we were just depending on hunting and like eating raw materials, fruits and all like that, roots and fruits and all like that. Since that time till now in 21st century, in 2021, 2022, we have developed, we have experienced developed, we have or explored the development in various styles. For each and every single family, development is not the term just for rich person, just for industrialist, just for the very capitalist money-minded people, no, or group of people, no, not at all. Development is a term that affects every single life, every single life, every single gender, every single religion, every single caste, every single language. Even in language, yes, the Britishers, those who were speaking English just 200, 300 before, the dialects, the accents and the new vocabulary has changed the entire pyramid of that English. Whatever the Telugu, the Tamil, the Hindi and any language we use, it is not that we used to start it or we used to speak at earlier time. So in every field, in every family, you will get industrialization impact, you will get modernization impact, you will get digitalization impact. These days, every single family you will get smartphones or at least phones. That was not possible just like 3 or 4 decades before. Yeah, what is that? That is all development. It is not just for first world countries or second world countries, but for third world countries as well. In the sense, it is for developed countries, it is for underdeveloped countries, developing countries, and all like that is fair. So, we have aspirations or desire about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. What we would like to do and how we would like to live. That is what we have always experienced, always experiments. We always did experiments and used to learn from others' experiences. Or sometimes through just motivations we change our life. Sometimes when we get particular emotions with particular person or personality, we change our life. Sometimes with particular examples we create in our mind and then we develop ourselves with that, then we change our life. So the life of development or the development in life is both are interrelated, that has many or various dimensions or different aspects through the different ideologies and different person and group of people. Okay, similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like. Exactly, yes. Think about the 2 or 3 century before. Think about the 18th century or 19th century, how India was. Then how India became in 20th century from 1901 to 1999. And specifically the last decade of the 20th century, 1919, when we experienced globalization, liberalization, privatization, globalization and all like that, modernization, industrialization and all like that. The image of entire India from north to south, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from east to west, from anywhere part you'll go, that has changed. We have experienced or explored the development. Similarly, we have ideas about the country, that how it should be, as well as what are the essential things that we require to develop our countries. In any field you'll go, it's not just in medicine sector or mechanical sector, industrial sector, in farming, in agriculture field you'll find that. Think about the camera, light, sound, camera, action and movies and out, visible and muted and all like that. Think about the technical changes in that 30-40 years before till now. The black and white movies till now very highly expansive and highly edited movies. with actions, with dialogues, with synonyms and all like that. Okay, now, can life be better for all? Can life be better for all? How should people live together? Can there be more equality? Development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals or achieving these aspirational goals or the target of the answer of these questions. That can life be better for all? That means we are thinking about the development. If it is not the overall development, then specifically particular individual based development. If you will think about your life, if you will just take responsibility about your life, you will change the life or the life pattern or livelihood of your family members at least, then the neighbor, then the society, the culture and the entire nation. That individually one is affected, but because the huge building we create, the large villa we create or the construction building we create, 7th floor, 10th floor, multi-floor building, it depends on the first brick. So if you make more strong with that brick, the entire building will also be strong. That is what the chain of development, the change of digitalization, the change of actually modernization. Okay, now this is a complex task indeed. Yeah, certainly this is a complex task, and this chapter we shall make a beginning at understanding development. Although it is very complicated, it sounds good. Development sounds good. Great. Yeah, simple word, development, development. That's it. A very one word. But if you'll go through the many various aspects, you will find the different meaning of the development, different accepted term about the development. That is what various views, various people, various lifestyle, and same the definitions of development. Now you will learn more about these issues in greater depth in higher classes. Also, you will find answers to many of these questions not just in economics but also in your course in history or political science and civics. My dear friend, this is because the way we live today is influenced by the past, and that is what the relevance of history. Even if we are studying economics, we will connect through the past experiences, the past surveys and records and data. Then too we will study what were the consequences about that previous policies, economical policies or financial policies. If they were good, we will promote that. If the consequences of particular policy were bad, we will shorten that or cut out that. That is what the history, interrelated to every single subject. We can't desire for change without being aware of this. We cannot actually. In the same way, it is only through a democratic political process that these hopes and possibilities can be achieved in real life. Indeed, the political atmosphere, the political environment, the democratic political process, the democratic political system affects from the top to the grassroots levels life or the lives of different societies in one nation, for example, India. My dear students, this is what the picture you will find in the first page of your textbook. That is what development promises. Different people, different goals, different meaning, different exceptions or accepting part. Let us try to imagine what development or progress is likely to mean to different person listed in the table 1.1. That's what we are going to face or see in next slide. What are their aspirations, their demand, their desire according their atmosphere, according their terms and psychological status, their social status, their financial or economical status. You will find that some columns are partially filled. Try to complete the table. You can also add any other categories of person. That what we'll find the two blank options. See this rickshaw puller. You want a car. The way our country is set up, all you can hope for is maybe to one day own the rickshaw you pull. That is what the development, pessimistic and optimistic thoughts. And this is what, my dear student, table 1.1 that has connected the entire economical first chapter of your textbook. Here you will find goals of different categories of persons. In one part, you will find category of person and you will find development goals or aspirations or meaning of development. Mean the terms of development for themselves. So in the first person you will find landless. In the first group you will find landless rural laborers. What would be the development goals and the meaning of the development for them? For landless rural laborers? Landless, they don't have land, but they are working in the land of someone, landlords. More days of work, they'll just think about it, and better wages, better salary for against their work. Local school is able to provide quality education for their children. That's what they will desire. There is no social discrimination at all. Social, religious, cultural discrimination. And they too can become leaders in the village. That is what their ideology is saying to them, and that is what the goals and aspirations of development for them. The second topic you'll find prosperous farmers from Punjab. Prosperous farmers from Punjab, prestigious one. What would be the definition of development? What would be the aspiration or goal of the development for them? It is written here, assured a high family income through higher support prices for their crops and through hard working and cheap labors. They should be able to settle their children abroad, specifically Canada, they call Canada. Okay, so that would be their aspirations. In many Punjabi movies, many Hollywood movies, you will find that the farmer's son, means the adult son or whatever they have, the children, the siblings, they are sending to them to the, or like sending them in abroad to study and to work. Their fathers are very close to the touch to the grassroots level, the farming, as a farmer, as a peasant, but they are sending their son. That is what their goal. Think about this ideology, this aspiration, and this ideology and this aspiration. Now, farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. The third option is actually blank. Farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. What would be the aspirations or the goals of the development for them? What would be the definition of goals or development for them? First, irrigation issues would be sought out in any ways, proper facility and support by the government, the local government or the state or regional government. Third, bank loan or something in order to get some tube well or some submersible or like that facilities. Okay, that type of, or always prayer from the God, like to get some clouds, dark clouds and rain season and all like that. That would be their goal and their aspirations of development. A rural woman from a land owning family. A rural woman from a land owning family. In family members, mean the male are having land, but that is rural women. What would be the development for them? Buying a Mercedes or Audi? No, not at all. Going to a higher 5-star Taj restaurants or all like that? No, not at all. Then what? Proper seed facilities, fertilizers availability for their family members in order to convey their land, good crops, taking care of the crops, and like aspirations in their family members along with their family members and such neighborhood with the form of cattle preparations or cattle management. They might have buffaloes or cows or any other such like that cattle. So their taking care part and all, that would be their goals. Now urban and unemployed youth, urban but unemployed youth might have some ideas. Spreading knowledge, or spreading knowledge in the sense getting indulged with particular institutions, or organized sector, spreading talent, and for now these days many are just, if they have nothing to do, they are exporting their ideas, they are expressing their ideas through many social channels, like for example YouTube, like TikTok or any other videos. If they have nothing to do, they are spreading, like they're getting achievements from there, they're getting money from YouTube and all like that. It is bad as making addictive, but if you are making your profession in that way, many people are getting successful in that way. That is, they are working sincerely. If they don't have job, they are creating job in that sense. They are finding job in that sense. They are developing themselves in that sense if they have particular natural or God gifted like talent or something. Then a boy from a rich urban family. A rich urban family means going abroad. Okay, going abroad and finding a particular in multinational company or any software company in US or England or anything like that, in European countries, in US and anywhere, or creating an identity among their family members and relatives and entire setting an example for entire India. That might be their goal. Or spreading knowledge and education, making universities and all like that, and promoting children, helping poor children with the stationaries, with textbooks and all like that. It might be their goal. A girl from a rich urban family, that was the boy, but now girl, what would be her goal or aspirations for the development? She gets as much freedom as her brother. That is what their goal, that is what the definition of development for them, for females, for girls, for young girls, means the equality as brother, and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. She is able, or she would be able, or that would be the definition of development, that she is able to decide whatever she wants to do in her life, whatever she wants to become in her life, whatever she wants to achieve in her life. She is able to pursue her studies abroad as same as his brother does, or his brother is planning. She will also think like that way. She will also get that facilities and abilities. Okay. For then an Adivasi from Narmada Valley. Adivasi, tribals, STs from Narmada Valley, what would be the development or the aspiration or goal of the development for them? For them, they will, if they are scattered from their place of their piece of land, or from there they were staying or living there from their ancestors, if they are asking, means they are asked by the government to leave that place, proper place they will find, or they will always demand and requirement would be there. Okay, and then what? Not just this, but taking care about their children and all like that. If they're shifting from one place to another place, like that facilities, or even if they have some place that is actually left about or after the progression or after that Narmada dam and something, then development in that area, proper school and all like that would be then. And if you'll find another one, that for example industrialist, for example industrialists, what would be the goal and development or aspirations for them? For example industrialists, they'll find more capital, they will invest more capital in different various types of businesses. They will always expect the convenience part to get good revenue or turnover or benefits or interest from their businesses. Low wages workers means labor hand, good quality machines and everything like that. That would be the development for them. And if we'll think about the doctors, for example, just example doctors, what would be the development goals or aspirations for them? They know if they are very capable, but because of higher technology in eye sense, in mind sense, in whenever we spread our like cardiac surgery or liver surgery or anything like that, heart surgery, heart transplant and all like that, the facilities we have is not sufficient as in US or in abroad. So the development for them would be like getting those advanced machine here in India, in their own institute, means in their own hospitals, in their own organizations and all like that. That would be the definition for them. For teachers, as in pandemic conditions, for example, if for teachers in urban and everywhere, as in pandemic conditions such as COVID-19 and coronavirus, what would be the goals of aspirations or for like development? Digital classes, online classes, more is spreading in that part, that would be their goal, their target. So the development is various through the various ideology. The development is different through the different people, the different profession, the different culture, the different religion, and the different ideology as well. Economical status and all that exactly matters, directly or genuinely matters.
Add-on solutions. Add-on